For the 1 million time, Agbor does not identify as Igbo. I'm telling you categorically because I am from Agbor. I'm from Ika South local government area of Delta State. And I can tell you that my name is Undoka. In fact, it's pronounced Undoka in my own dialect. But when you go to the Igbos, they say na Undoka. Do you understand? That doesn't make me an Igbo. I can tell you, I am from Agbor. We have an Igbo heritage, that is true. We also have a Benin heritage because there are some names that our people bear that sounds like Benin. Most names we bear sounds Igbo. Our language resembles Igbo. We are not doubting it. But that doesn't make me an Igbo. Fine, there are people that if you start crossing from Iseluku, going ahead, like to nearing Asaba, you can. Some of those people identify as Igbos, like they are closer. But you see, when it comes to like my place, Agbor, we know, say we know be Igbo. And it's so annoying and so crazy that another person go on come they educate me. They tell me, say, your history. Are you crazy? I'm from the place. And I'm telling you that I am not from. What is going on? And then you people now say we are confused. We don't know where we are from. It be like when Edo people go come claim or say, okay, you people are also Edo. We know our heritage. We are not from Igbo. Calm down. Once you not do all this on a political tussle, now go start to dey draw tribal stupid nonsense. What now they do? For the 1 million time, an Igbo man does not identify as Igbo. I don't know any Igbo man that will tell you I'm Igbo. I don't know any. You wake up from the place and they try to educate you. They tell me, say me, no, we are you people are crazy.
That young man said that he is from Agbor. He said that Agbor is not Igbo. He said that his name is Ndoka. That Agbor people pronounce Ndoka as Ndoka, while Ndibo pronounce Ndoka as Ndoka. What is the meaning of Ndoka in Agbor, and what is the meaning of Ndoka in Igbo? Ndoka in Agbor means life is bigger, and Ndoka in Igbo means life is bigger. When I say Ndoka in Igbo, it means in all Igbo dialects and region, including Agbor, Okwane, Ika, and every other Igbo region in the South, Ndoka means life is bigger. The way you pronounce a name in your own region does not mean that the way other people pronounce it in another region makes the name different from being the same thing. If you come to Ibuzo, what Ibuzo people call the name Nwakego is Nwakego. That is how Ibuzo people pronounce it. Even Ogwashuku people, that is how they pronounce the name Nwakego. But in Okwane land, we pronounce the name as Nwakego. The name in Enwane land means child is bigger than money. The name in Okwane land means child is bigger than money. So the way you pronounce it in your region and the way another person pronounce it in their own region does not mean that the name does not have the same meaning. Identity crisis has a way it destroys people's brain. So many people where they suffer from identity crisis, they're not the reason fine. He said that Agbor has Igbo heritage and Bini heritage. He said that most of the names that they bear in Agbor are both Igbo names and Bini names. He said that their language sounds like Igbo, but that does not make them Igbo. The reason why some Agbor people bear Bini names is simply because they are closer to Bini. Intermarriage made some of them to start bearing Bini names. What is the population of Ika people that are bearing Bini names? And what is the population of Ika people that are bearing Igbo names? If Ika people are Bini people, why is it that Ika people are not speaking Bini language today? Ika people share boundary with Bini kingdom. See Bini, see Ika, yet Ika people don't understand Bini language. They don't speak Bini language. Check the distance between Ika land and the southeast, and you will see that this place is far. How come you Ika people speak Igbo language, whereas where southeast started from is very far? to your location in Ika land. And even with that far distance, you Ika people speak Igbo language. There is nothing like Ika language sounds like Igbo. Ika language is Igbo. Anyone that is speaking Agbor, anyone that is speaking Ika, that person is speaking 100% Igbo language. So when you say that Ika language sounds like Igbo, you are just deceiving yourself. When you want to say sounds like, if you listen to all those Idoma language, Igala language, it sounds like Igbo, but it's not Igbo. Igala people bear names like Ogochi. The name sounds like Igbo, but it's not an Igbo name. It's not an Igbo word. Ndị Igbo say Ogochi. Ogochi and Ogochi are not the same thing. They don't have the same meaning. That is what it means by our language sounds similar. Our language and Igbo language is not similar. Both of them are the same language. English just dey deceive some people. Some people dey speak English, but they don't know the meaning of those English words that they are using. You will see some Okwane people telling you our language in Okwane land is similar with Igbo. What is similar? Similar means they are not the same. If they are not the same, how come in Okwane land what we call the supreme being is Chuku, what we call land is Ane, what we call deity is Mo, what we call food is Nni, what we call water is Miri? Our names are the same names that our Igbo brothers in the southeast bear. Why then are some Okwane people saying that Okwane language is similar with Igbo, that Okwane language is not Igbo? Who are they deceiving? Agbor and Benin share boundary, yet Agbor cannot speak Benin language. You are not Igbo. See where southeast from start, yet you dey speak the language of Ndi Igbo in the southeast, and you are here saying that you are not Igbo. Agbor language does not resemble Igbo. Agbor language is Igbo language. Languages that resemble Igbo are Igala language, Idoma language, and so on. Those are the languages that you say they resemble Igbo, because in those languages they have the word chi, che in their language. If you say that these languages resemble, fine, but you cannot call them the same language because they don't understand each other. But the case between Agbor, Ika, and Ndi Igbo is different. The language of Agbor people and Ika people is Igbo language. They are Igbo people. If Agbor is not of Igbo origin, why are they speaking Igbo language? He said that from Iseluku down to Asaba, that some of the people there identify as Igbo, but they Agbor people are not Igbo people. If Agbor is not of Igbo origin, why is Agbor speaking Igbo language? What is the ancient language of Agbor people? Is it Bini language or the language that they speak today? If the ancient language of Agbor people is what they speak today, Agbor people are Igbo people. The first king of Agbor ruled Agbor kingdom as Eze Agbor. The first king of Agbor is called Ogele. Some school of thought said that Ogele, the founder of Agbor, came from Ile-Ife Yoruba land. Some school of thought said that Ogele, the founder of Agbor, came from the southeast Igbo land. The name Ogele is an Igbo name. All over Igbo land, you will see so many Igbo people bearing Ogele, Ogene as name. Ogele ruled Agbor as Eze Agbor. The place that Ogele settled in Agbor, there was a tree there called Ebo tree. Ogele settled there and called the land Ebo. But today, the land is being called Agbor. This issue of Ogele that I'm telling you now is what a well-known historian from Agbor called A.E. Iduwe said. The historical account that A.E. Iduwe gave concerning Ogele as their founder was accepted by Agbor people. Agbor elders nodded in confirmation, saying that the history of Ogele as their founder is their history. Your first king was called an Eze. What is king called in Okwane land is Eze. What is he called in Enuaniland? Iseze. What is he called in Ibanke in Edo State? Iseze. What is he called in the southeast? Iseze. What is he called in Ikwere, Obaekpe and others? Iseze. Which people in Nigeria calls their king Eze? Is Igbo. And this boy is here saying rubbish. Ebo is what Igbo call that tree that the founder of Agbor gave to that community. Ebo. Come to Ukwaneland, we call that tree Ebo. Go to the southeast, they call that tree Ebo. How come Ogele did not call that tree a Yoruba name if Ogele is from Ile-Ife? How come Ogele did not call that tree a Bini name if Ogele is a Bini man? But instead, Ogele settled there and called that tree Ebo. This set of people will come out and be telling you that they are not Igbo people, but their history is betraying them. The kings of Agbor are called Eze in the past. After some time, they started calling their king as Obi. Now this their present king of Agbor. Now I can change the title from Obi to Dey. That's why it's being called Dey of Agbor. He said that people from another place, which means Igbo, are telling them that are from Agbor that Agbor is Igbo. That they from Agbor are saying that they are not Igbo. And Igbo are telling them their history, telling them that Agbor is Igbo. Igbo are right. Agbor is Igbo. If someone from Ibuzo says that Ibuzo is not of Igbo origin, I go tell her make you shut up your mouth, say Ibuzo is of Igbo origin. That is because I know the history of Ibuzo. Ibuzo community is made up of two major ancestry. The first one is from Isu in Imo State. The second one is from Unri in Anambra State. If someone from Iseluku tells me that Iseluku is not of Igbo origin, I will tell that person to shut up his mouth. The first people to settle in Iseluku community came from Unri Kingdom. They are Ogboli people in Iseluku. Go to Iseluku and ask them, who are the first people to settle in this land? They will tell you Ogboli people. Ogboli people came from Unri Kingdom in Anambra State. They have settled in that land for hundreds of years before Olibo, the grandchild of Ezechime, entered Iseluku and he was made king by those Unri people there. Olibo is the son of an Igbo man called Ezechime. Ezechime returned from Bini, but he is not a Bini man. He is an Igbo man. And you will see someone from Iseluku telling you that Iseluku is not of Igbo origin. If you be from Iseluku, they thought say Iseluku is not Igbo. I'm going to tell you say Iseluku is Igbo. You are from that community, but you don't know your history. Those that know your history will tell you your history. Imagine someone from Akuku Igbo here in Anyoma land will be telling you that Akuku Igbo people are not Igbo people. Akuku Igbo community is not of Igbo origin. We are just Akuku Igbo. We are not Igbo people. Stop calling us Igbo. Those of us that know the history of Akuku Igbo will tell that person from Akuku Igbo that Akuku Igbo is of Igbo origin. The founder of Akuku Igbo came from Unri Kingdom in Anambra State. You came from a place does not give you the right to come out and be saying rubbish. Which day them born this boy where you go come out they talk rubbish. If there are some Bini people in Agbor Kingdom, that does not make those Bini people a majority. If those Bini people are a majority, Agbor Kingdom will be speaking Bini language today. Igbo language overpower that Bini language. Igbo language killed that Bini language because Agbor people are of Igbo origin. Majority of Agbor people are of Igbo origin. Me that is from Agbor is telling you that we are not Igbo. You that is from outside is telling me that Agbor is Igbo. What do you know about the history of Agbor? He said that they know their heritage, that they are not Igbo people. Your first heritage is your language. Agbor language is Igbo language. That is their first heritage. That their heritage is enough evidence that they are Igbo people. The first heritage of we Ukwane people is our language. Our language is Igbo language. And by that, we are Igbo people. Our culture and tradition is our heritage. Agbor people use Ofo. All over Igbo land, we use Ofo. Ofo is our heritage. Which people in Nigeria use Ofo is Igbo. Every community that use Ofo are Igbo. In Agbor, they use the Igbo for market days. Which people use the Igbo for market days in Nigeria? It's Igbo. Agbor people use Eke, Olie, Afo, Nkwo. There is nothing different between Agbor people and Ndi Igbo in the southeast. There's nothing different between Agbor people and we Ukwane people. Agbor is not Igbo, but when you Agbor people speak, we Ukwane people hear and understand. When we Ukwane people speak, you Agbor people hear and understand. When you Agbor people speak, Ndi Igbo in the southeast, they hear and understand. When Ndi Igbo in the southeast speak, you Agbor people, you hear and understand. The reason why Agbor people and Ndi Igbo in the southeast understand each other is because they are one people since time immemorial. If we are not one people, we can't be understanding each other. And here, small boy of yesterday come online, they talk rubbish. Small pikin, they want separate brothers. He's separating Agbor people from their Igbo brothers in the southeast. Pikin wey get sense go ask himself, why are our people saying that they are not brothers with Ndi Igbo in the southeast? Even when we understand each other, we share the same culture and tradition. How come are some of our elders saying that we are not Igbo people? Now be picky wey get sense. If Agbor elders come out today, they talk say they are not one people with other communities in Ika land. Say Agbor people are of separate origin. Agbor people are separate people from other communities in Ika land. You go still see some youths from Agbor go start to dey make videos. They talk say Agbor people are not brothers with other communities in Ika land. When you teach a child the wrong narrative, that child will grow up with it and start propagating it. When you see people from Ika land saying that Ika land is not Igbo, check those people where so many of them are from that community called Agbor. The way they pride themselves as the head of Ika land is so alarming. The boy is calling people that say that Agbor is Igbo as crazy people. You dey crazy, you dey call other people crazy. If to say this boy not dey crazy, he go know say Agbor language is Igbo language. He go know say Agbor practice Igbo culture and tradition. He go know say Agbor people bear Igbo names. That alone suppose let you know say this boy dey crazy. You dey mad, you dey call other people mad people. Agbor people are Igbo people. Ika people are Igbo people. There is no amount of denial that will remove the Igbo identity of Agbor people and Ika people. Igbo bofu, Ishiagwale.